How to fix unable to play video on Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix unable to play video on Messenger. So guys, for this you have to go to your settings, and then you have to go to install apps or app manager. Click on install apps and then now search for Messenger. Here is it. Click on Messenger and then you can see here force stop button. Click on force stop and press OK. And now you click on app permission and then you have to allow all the permission here. Now go back to Messenger and then click on your profile icon and scroll down. You can see here photos and media. Click on photos and media, and now you have to allow both the permission, and then go back to the menu, restart your phone and reopen the Messenger app. The problem will be fixed. This is how to fix unable to play video on Messenger. Thanks for watching.